Okay, looks like he had some damage control here. Did it blow up? Cam's half out. Alright, one camera shaft. Caliper. What number you got? 30. Turn 180 and check it again. What number you got this time? 32. See what we got over in this one. 21. 21. So what's that mean?
We got 7/10.
It means it gains 10,000 clearance.
10,000, pardon me.
So that means we don't have to sell you wash, and now we just let it be loose and we're fine. Okay, so we don't know if this is any good, right?
Right.
So line up your what's left of your red mark. On. Where'd all this hardware go? Where's this go? Where's this go? Let's go. Put it together. What are you waiting for? Got work to do. What are you doing, Scooby? Scooby's going to go back to bed now. He's all tired. See, that's where that goes? Where's that one go?
This one long goes here.
Where's that one go? Sure about that?
Yep.
How do you know?
Because of the step.
What about the other one? You got a problem already?
Yeah, there's a problem there. So this guy's got to go here.
Instead of screwing them in there, why don't you just lay them all in the holes so they all stick up the same height, and then you know where they all go. Instead of screwing everything all up by screwing them halfway in and you don't know what lengths they are. So you got an inch of thread hanging up, that's not a good sign.
Yeah. Obviously, this guy goes here.
Oh, you figured out the difference now?
It goes here.
Oh, shit, I can't see. Move your finger. You're already screwing shit in. I can't see nothing. They're all the same except for this one. What do you got on this one? You probably already threaded that in a little bit, didn't you?
Yeah, he's...
Okay, go for it. Alright, looks like you got it better. You know, if you had a mark, you could have marked those and you would know where they all went. What are you doing, Scooby? What are you doing over there? Huh? You looking for a place to sleep? Scooby's waiting over there for something. Hey, don't break the cover now. That's pre-adjusted. Come here, Scooby. What are you doing? Come on. What are you doing there? Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Are you done yet? Shit, it's already 10. It's after 10 already. You wasted an hour checking your cam. That's a porcelain. Don't worry about cross.
No. She ain't sweating anything at all.
You're not sweating. You're not shoving them in there. Full. Nope. You need a longer wrench. Get some more leverage in there. Cram them in harder. We got an ugly case next to that polished cover. It's terrible. Oh, he's getting fancy now. It's not gaining if you notice. See how it works better? Just go back and forth quicker. Why'd you put the clamp at the bottom to get me? Get that out of the way. Jeez. Trying to get me.
Just snug, right?
Oh, Scooby found a spot. He's got his pillow there and everything. Look at that pillow. He's got that pillow right there, see? Yeah, it's that 5,000 pound winch. Yeah, it works good for a pillow. He's on nap number 3 or 4 today, I'm not sure. You get some more pepperoni, didn't you?
Yeah, he got a little more pepperoni.
You get some more pepperoni? Okay, so that's why he's tired again. He's got to rest up now.
Okay, they're just snugged up.
Alright, how's our in-play? Sounds like it's got in-play. Well, I just got where I can see. You put your finger back in there, I couldn't see it. If you push on this end here, and
Oh, I got
back and forth like this, it works. Look at that in play in there. Look at that. Look at that in play. Yeah, I think it's got enough. I think it's got 10 now. Okay. How much drag you got? Here. It's free. And this way. Hear that noise? Just go back and forth in the gear. Okay, I got no in play either way.
That's good.
See how it moves there, moves there, moves nice and free there. See, it's not binding either. See, nice and free.
Everybody's happy.
So it's good. It's not loose. It's not tight. So my guess is the same diameter as that gear there. So we don't have to change the gear out. This one looks good.
Everybody's happy.
So
All right.
it makes it nice. I'm good with the in play. I like in play. We now have 12 thou, 8 to 12. That's good. Maybe we have 13. I can live with a little extra one. So I'm good with that. That's all good.
Okay. I love it.
So we don't have to sell you no parts either. Damn, I lost money. Jeez.
There's not gonna be parts left after we're done with this bike. You know what I mean? I take that back. He's gonna.
Okay, now before this thing goes together, we gotta get all these studs back in here because I don't want none of the crap going down inside that motor.
Absolutely.
Because these holes go all the way down. So this all works over here. So we gotta decide if you want me to do the cam bit, the bushings in the cover, or just run them. So
I'm gonna run them as long as I can. You know what I mean?
they're all right. They're a little loose, but they're fine.
Yeah.
You're gonna lose a little bit of oil pressure, but not too bad. I don't think it'll be a problem.
Okay. And I think we'll leave them alone.
You're running straight 50 in anyway, weren't you? If not thicker.
What'd you sell me? I bought all kinds of oil products from you.
Well, if you bought
Beginners.
Tribodine's really thin, so
I did buy Tribodine from you.
there you go. So it'll be nice and thin. Good. It'll flow good.
All right.
But,
Especially in Vegas, it'll be nice and warm. It's gonna flow real well.
yeah, it likes heat there. It doesn't care. It likes heat.
Sorry, Scoobs.
It likes heat.
Scoobs, really?
Skibbs.
This is where you decided you need to hang out?
You just lost your washer. I went down there. Down there, about in that area there.
What kind of washer am I looking for?
Little AN washer. This one right here, see?
Okay.
Scooby did it. You see, this cam doesn't want to just slide out its bushing, which I don't like. I know the seal's hard as a rock. Okay, so we're going to have to figure out what's going on with this damn pinion gear. We're going to have to mark this thing so we know where it's at. Yeah, that's the one. Where'd you find it? Right down there on the floor by my foot.
So just get back in here so we know where the fuck it's at. Huh?
Does it go in there? You sure that's where it goes? Does it go in the other one?
Hope so.
Okay. Get rid of this gas before I tear it. You done yet? Here. Tell me what you're doing.
Scoop's tail.
Scooby likes his tail stuff on. Okay, let's check this in play here. Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Your bushing might be bad. Well, not your bushing, but your seal. I'm thinking it's old and hard.
Yeah.
Where the hammers go? Right in front of me. I saw you trying to find the hammer.
Just snake it a bit yet.
That's a steel one. What'd they give you?
I don't know.
They give you a good one. All those. Got a couple of O-rings here.
Maybe this guy here, probably.
That'd be my guess. Well, you can put that little small one in there and stretch it. How about this one over here? I know where that goes. That fits a 4-speed. that fits a soft tail. You need the one that has different ones. I don't know if this will work. This won't work in here because it's too big. You need a special seal for yours. You had a special bearing, remember? But you don't even have a seal in yours because there's no room for it. Remember we figured that out? And you got 2 shifter shaft seals, just in case you screw up one. Get another one. I'm thinking that's the cam seal. What do you think?
Yeah.
What's this one for? That's for a small cam. I guess that's probably for some kind of a starter shaft thing or something similar, but unknown. But we have it, just in case you need it. Okay, that we're going to need. Oh, look at that, it goes right there. So we have that also. Okay, so this here should be able to go together. We got to put a seal in there, that'd be done. The seal on the other one goes on the other side, which we have not done yet. Where's your S&S part? Did you read the instructions?
It's an expensive little part you got in your hands there.
Can you read those?
What's that breather? Like $100, right? For sure that's a $100 part.
Doesn't fit.
Maybe more.
Doesn't fit.
I think you're supposed to take it out of the package.
Oh,
Not sure.
that's for protective layer. Don't lose that.
Tatro claims it's the only way to go.
Don't lose that.
What's this?
It fits. Look at that, it goes blow and blow. Somebody said they don't work when you have a hole down there. I'm trying to figure out why it wouldn't work. So you got a suction hole. We're plugging up your primary, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter. So I can see maybe if you run a suction primary over there. See, there's a hole way down in here. And that's what sucks oil out of this.
Mm-hmm.
So heater works better for checking stuff like this. So it's at the tip of the hole. Yeah, too close to tell. The hole's on the back side, so it should suck. It should work. Maybe. Who knows? The only thing I can see is maybe the breather in here might want to retain some oil. Depends on how the hole lines up. This appears to go all the way past. It goes right there to there. So the tip of the hole is right to the edge of this, so the hole is right over this area and this here. This is solid. So that's the hole I think that sucks this dry. So I think it's going to be on the back side. It's on the crankcase pressure, which goes up and down under vacuum. It also blows. So as long as it sucks more than it blows, it'll suck this area dry. I'm pretty sure there's more suction going on than blowing. But it hasn't been a problem to anybody yet, so carrying over oil. So I think it works. Now the other hole you got is the one over here. Now this one sucks it primary dry. Now that one is same deal. The tip that goes all the way over to here. I think the tip is just catching it. So it's on this side here and a little bit on that side maybe. That would kind of deactivate the function of this by having that hole even in there. there might be some issues with that overlapping. We've got 2 inches in. Now it just covers it. So that doesn't quite catch all the way to the edge, so it does cover it. That one's 2 1/8, 2 1/8. About 2 100. Yeah, see that hole is just catching the edge of that down there. So that hole is about 2/3 covered. So not a lot of oil is going to get in there, but we'll still have a draw for sucking. Because these pistons go up, it sucks.
Right.
So when it goes down, it blows, but it's the bypassing out to the back is not very much. But that'd be the only problem you have with carryovers, is not sucking this out of here. If this fills up full of oil, it'll come out the breather. But it seems to work, so I haven't had problems with it. So whatever. They say it doesn't work. Find out on your bike too. If you don't like it, you'll let me know. Either way, we're not putting that piece of crap plastic one back in. You're going to buy one no matter what, because we're not using that. Alright, so now we got to figure out about this part here, because your pinion gear sucks for telling what's going on.
Okay.
Broke your nut. And I broke my nut. I think it finally vibrated off. I used to put lockdowns every now and then. It doesn't wobble so much now if you turn the nuts back on.
How do you know?
Yeah. I'm falling off in years. Okay. So there's that mark we couldn't see. So you got a good pinion gear?
I think I know a guy that does.
Might have one laying around. You like yellow? This one's red.
Oh.
Appears to be in the same spot. See the mark? See the mark? Mark. So, what we gotta do is mark this mark so we can see the damn thing. Because it was so hidden, you couldn't see it. It's right here. And it also marks both of these T's so you know what's in between. Like that.
Okay.
So it goes on there like that. Crank is all the way down when it times correctly. So we didn't check your gear in the right spot, but I don't think it make any difference. Alright, so now we can at least see a mark. This here does not mean anything, it's up there that counts. So now we know. One more thing found out. Alright, that's it for now.